here, what was that? Do you hear that bird? It's a bird in the house. Waiting for the carpet guy to get here. That's the last of what has to be done to this house in order for us to be officially moved out. Carpets need to get cleaned. House is already cleaned. After 7 years of being in a house and having to pack up and move and start anew, it's kind of crazy. I'm not taking it as hard as other members of my family. Jesse's taking it pretty hard, but 7 years in one place, a home that you've made your own, you know, it takes a toll on a person when you got to just kind of give all that up. I'm here just waiting for the carpet guy, and then that will be it for today, for at this house. You know, that's it though. But everything else, all hard work's done. All right, this is after the carpet cleaning guy was here. Way better than it was. There's that bird again. There's a bird in the house. Did you hear that bird? The carpets actually look way better than they did this morning. Yeah. All that was over there was stains from the kids. Like I was trying to say earlier, I don't understand why people put carpet in a dining room. Food. I hate carpet, period. I really do. And when we first moved into this house, I asked them, can we tear out the carpet and put in wood flooring or laminate wood flooring or something, because I hate carpet. No, can't do it. So, all those stains, kids, range of ages. I mean, this was 7 years ago when we moved in. Joey was just a little tiny 3-month-old baby. But then you got Kyle and Jake, who were young, and they would drop their food, they would spill their drinks, or the adults had a few too many to drink and would knock over their drink. It happens. So, it is what it is. Way better than it was, I have to say. But, yeah, so now I'm going to head back over to my parents' house where we live now and go hang out with the fam.
Hey, Daddy, good morning.
After the day that we got the carpets cleaned. Right now, I'm on my way to take this one to the oral surgeon to go get a tooth pulled. So that's what we're gonna go do, and then I gotta head back over to the house and open up all the windows and make sure that the carpet gets totally dried. How you feel, Jake?
Nervous.
Nervous? There's really nothing to be nervous about, babe.
I know, but I have no idea how they're gonna put me to sleep.
There's nothing to be nervous about. It's gonna be fine, I promise. All right, we just made it here to the dentist's office. We have to go up there. You're gonna be fine.
I am so nervous that I'm breathing so hard and that my heart is pounding.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Okay, so Jake is now home and resting. He's laying here, relaxing. Yeah, we gotta change that gauze again.
Hey.
Hey. So he's just gonna lay there and relax for a little while, and I'm gonna eat some lunch.
What about me?
Oh.
Thank you for coming.
Here's Joe.
Hey, I lost my strength on being able to push myself up. I lost my strength.
That's okay. He needs to sleep off that medicine. So that's what he's gonna do, and I'm gonna eat lunch. time for the second dentist appointment of the day. This afternoon is now Kyle's turn. So he's getting his teeth cleaned and checking to make sure his teeth aren't moving too fast. So should be interesting. Kyle, let me see those teeth. I see those teeth. Look how straight those are. So much straighter than they were before. Hey Jake,
So
how you feeling?
nice.
How was your long nap that you had earlier? Nice.
You want to see the teeth? I got them.
Yeah, show them your teeth.
So then there's one.
Whoa, that's gnarly.
Then after there's two.
Whoa.
Then if you want to see my mouth,
Yeah, let's
this is
see.
what it looks like.
Open your mouth. Whoa, there's a hole there.
See you next time on the next vlog.
Oh, Ryan, what are you doing? You sitting watching cartoons? What's he watching? He's getting ready to watch Little Einsteins, his favorite. It was a long day of dentist appointments. Hanging out. Huh? Hanging out?
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna call it a night. That's gonna do it for us. What are you gonna say?
Good night. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.
Bye-bye.
Ryan, say bye.
Bye.